Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete app in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first we need to access to our app manager in the setup menu. So basically we click here and we go to our setup page and we need just to search for our app manager. So here I'm just going to type app and we need just to find our app manager so we can manage all our applications. So from here, you will find all your Lightning Experience app that you have here. And basically, you can also find some created app here. So this is an app that I have created it. And basically, we can access it from the app uh, launcher. And as you can see, this is an app that I already have here. So now we can simply go here, we click on it or on the quick action button, and simply you can start editing on it or you can go and directly delete it. So in the edit, it will take you in the builder, and from there you can start apply some actions, or let's just delete it directly without any actions. So again, let's just go to our app manager, and from there we need just to click on the delete app and we click on it. So let's just delete, and we will successfully have our app that has been deleted. And basically make sure that it has no other connections or some conflict that it can be created between your apps if you have many APIs that are connected, so you can just avoid the conflicts. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.